Hi, my name is Debbie with YachtWay. Today I'm going to show you how EasyFund can be white-labeled directly on your dealership's website, giving your customers a simple, secure way to apply for boat loan financing without ever leaving your brand. Buying a yacht is a major decision. Your customers want competitive rates, clear terms, and a secure place to submit their financial information. EasyFund is designed to deliver exactly that, while keeping the entire financing experience branded as yours and fully integrated into your site. Once EasyFund is live on your website, customers can begin their journey with just a few clicks. Everything begins with pre-qualification. Enter the vessel price, your down payment, the loan term, and the interest rate you are targeting. You will instantly see your estimated monthly payment. Then tap Apply Now and enter the vessel make, model, year, and engine information. Next, add your residence information and your gross monthly income. Then your name and email and phone number. Click Continue and you will receive a fast response letting you know if you are pre-qualified. Once you are pre-qualified, you are ready to complete the full application. It only takes a few more steps. Start by choosing whether you are applying individually or with a co-borrower. In this example, we'll choose individual. Your address from the pre-qualification step is already filled in. Add the date you started living there. Financial institutions require 2 years of address history, so if you have lived there for less than 2 years, you can add your previous address right below. Fill in whether you own or rent your residence and your housing payment, and click Next. This will take you to your personal information, including date of birth and social security number. Next is your employment status. Choose the option that fits your situation and complete the fields. If you ever need help, tap the Support Chat button in the lower right corner at any time. If you have any additional income sources, such as rental income or other recurring income, you can add as many as you want in the next step. You will then reach the final review page. All of your information is shown here, and you can make any adjustments before continuing. After that, you will be prompted to upload your tax returns and any other required documents. If you do not have the documents ready, you can always return and upload them later. Once the application is complete, you have options on how it is handled. If you have an internal F&I department, they can access the completed application and all loan documents through their YachtWay portal. If you don't have an F&I department, the application can be sent securely through our lender network for approval. You and your customers' privacy and data security are extremely important throughout this process. YachtWay follows GDPR standards, meets SOC 2 requirements, and uses encrypted storage for all sensitive information. This is where YachtWay truly stands alone. No other financing platform offers the same level of built-in security and compliance. Your customers' identity and financial documents are never shared outside the financing process, and once the loan is finalized, uploaded files are removed from our system. You can view our live security and compliance status at any time at trust.yachtway.com. Customers upload tax returns, IDs, and financial documents only through a secure dashboard, never through unsecured channels such as email, generic file upload links, or document vaults. EasyFund is more than another marine loan application. It's a secure, white-labeled financing platform built specifically for high-value marine transactions, where data protection, compliance, and trust truly matter. Thank you for considering YachtWay as your financing partner. We look forward to helping you deliver a safer, smarter financing experience to every customer.